Hi, I'm Saul Marchand, founder and CEO of Blue Commercial Cleaning and Bluberry LLC, headquartered here in the great city of Chicago. Our story begins almost 9 years ago when I endeavored to build my own commercial cleaning business, where I had an idea of where to start. I had no clue what I needed, and I had no clue where to turn to for answers. Through these challenges, we constantly learned, adapted, remained flexible, and today I'm proud to say that we are a thriving business here in the Chicagoland area. But why are we thriving overall as a business? We figured out the keys are in the effective implementation of a good company culture, constructive use of technology, and establishing a productive operational structure, therefore giving us the ability to manage a stronger, distributed, service-based workforce. Bluberry is the embodiment of all those lessons with a single all-in-one operational management system. We want to offer our platform to the thousands of service-based businesses who are looking to grow just like us, that are in need of direction, operational excellence, and streamlining. With Bluberry, we will ensure that all boats rise and we, as small businesses, succeed together.